Hey YouTube, it's your girl Hazel back in the building. How are we feeling today? Yeah, baby. Yeah, I got me some blonde hair today, baby. There we go, baby. So today I'm gonna do a makeup look that I was inspired by. I saw this on Instagram. I saw it and I was like, oh, that is actually you, bitch. I like that. If you're new to my channel, hello, my beautiful people. If you've been here before, thank you for continuing to support me. Let's get into this video. I'm not trying to make it too long. Just gonna keep it straight to the point. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and then we're just gonna go straight into the eye look. Okay. So I did my eyebrows, and y'all would never believe that I used a pencil and lipstick to do my eyebrows. That was really interesting, and it didn't come out that bad. They are darker than what I wanted them to be, but hey. So because I never did this look before, and it's gonna be my first time doing it while I'm on the camera with y'all, I'm literally not gonna speak. So my voiceover is gonna start now.
Hello, my good people. So we're gonna start off with the NYX Eyeshadow Base in number 1, and we're just gonna spread that all over the lids. After we get done distributing that, I'm gonna take my e.l.f. makeup brushes and dip into this orange red coral color from the Saharan palette by Juvia's Plate. I don't even know if I said that right. But as you can see, I'm just spreading it above my lids, not too close to my eyebrows, because we're going to go in with this orange and yellow color from the Zulu palette and just place that on top. So it gives it like a faded look, like it's going from light to dark. You know, you see what I'm doing? I'm not really good at explaining. But I'm going to take this cheap ass concealer. I don't even know where my mama got this from, because mine finished and I needed some concealer, so I used hers. And don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me, because we all been there. So I'm basically creating my crease. So I'm making a cut crease. And I'm doing this weird thing with my eyeballs so I can make sure that when I open my eyes, it's not messing up that orangey color that we have on the top right there. So I'm going back in the Zulu palette and hitting into that purple, baby. When I mean this purple is so deep, this purple is deep, baby. It's deep. And I'm only gonna place that at the end of my cut crease on my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with my Mica Beauty palette. No, it's not a palette, it's just dust. And word on the street is this can be a nail polish, a highlighter, a lipstick, or eyeshadow. And that color is so bright, so I barely dab into it, and I'm just gonna take my time because it's very pigmented as well. Take my time and just put it on my lids, darling, as you can see that we're doing here. And then I'm gonna start swiping them together. And when I get done putting that blue on, I'm going to use go back in with my purple brush. I'm not adding any product. I'm just trying to blend the two colors together. And then I'm going to go back in with the blue brush that I use and do the same thing until I feel like it's blended together nicely. And I'm using my Revlon Colorstay Skinny in the color Jet Black, and that's what I'm gonna do my eyeliner with. And today I felt really drastic, like I wanted my eyeliner to be elongated and just kind of thick, and I think I even went back and made them a little bit thicker than what we see here, but you know, just give it that bold look. So Anastasia, Beverly hairs, darling, they have this little trio pack that I saw at Sephora, and I thought they were so cute. And one day I tried this on this is Blizzard, by the way. One day I tried this on my lips, and I was like, this will look so cute on my lids. So guess where we're putting that? On my lids. So I'm just gonna take my time and dab, you may baby dab, don't rub, dab, because we're gonna go back in with the same brushes we used, the purple and the blue, and we're gonna blend that Blizzard into our eyeshadow, so we have like a dazzly type of look. I'm bad with words, bad at explaining myself, but it's gonna come out really good. We're just gonna make sure that we blend that out properly. But Sephora Shout out to you, Anastasia Beverly Hills, because Sephora wasn't giving it away. It was like, I believe it's like $25 for it, but they're like little tiny sticks. And I thought they were all lipstick, and I thought that was Moonlight that was in there when it was actually Blizzard. So when we use it on our lids, we're going to use a little bit, because a little goes a long way with this stuff, okay? And when that is nice and blended and we looking fetch, we're going to do the other eye. But bam! That quick, you know, I'm just talented like that. You feel me? So I'm going back in with that orangey coral red color that I use in the Saharan. I think I'm saying that right, or I may be saying that wrong. I'm going underneath my eyes with that color, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face. But bang, baby.
Baby, how we doing?
And then these lashes I got at the beauty supply store. Use any lashes, girl. Use any lashes. And there we go.
Oh, I forgot to put on mascara.
While I'm in the spot, pull up with no top.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
While I'm in the spot.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Subscribe to my channel, y'all. I know I be MIA sometime, but thank you for my loyal people that stay down for me. It's been a long time coming. And for all the new people that's watching this video, hit that subscribe button, because there'll be a lot more videos to come. To all my beautiful people out there, don't let anyone tell you can't, because you can and you will. They just mad because they won't. And tell me what y'all think, y'all. Like, I'm zigging the hair and the makeup. You got to give me overall review or separate reviews. Give it to me all. I'm wanting to hear it. I'm wanting to hear it. Screenshot me there. Well, I wish my nails was done. They're not dead. I just popped them all off. It was hurting me. But thank you guys for watching this video. Peace. I'm always late for work. Jesus.